Nobody.
We all get caught in our own sins.
Nobody.
Sometimes I have to remind myself that on my worst day, I live like somebody on their greatest. Don't let your demons take you to hell. Introduce them to heaven.
Some niggas go to college, some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, some make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, but nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. We're just trying to live our lives.
This life is fucked up, it got me steady tripping. So I'm smoking a Mary Jane with it for tightly gripped. I'm trying to keep it real, I can't hide my pain. They took a body, boy, got my mind going insane. Rest in peace, little bones. Dwayne Watson, ain't no stopping till these bodies dropping. You hear me and I know you're up there watching. You can feel it in your speakers as I'm spitting shit. My real nigga on that local tip. May you rest with the angels up in the skies. May you rest in paradise. Indeed, we gon' ride. You ain't gotta ask me twice. On my mind is homicide. So 187 to left, I think that they can hide. You can't run, motherfuckers. We're really in these streets. But there ain't no locals, little bones. Rest in peace, and we gon' ride till the motherfucking sun comes up. Cause life in the hood, it shows no love. Rest in peace to my G's. Gone but never forgotten. Sipping up on my beat, so got me feeling slightly lost in a memory of a time we shared long ago. A message on my phone like feeling come smoke a bowl. Looking at your picture, wishing you were back home. But now I'm reminiscing sick, feeling like I can't control. I just wrote a song to say I love you, homie. Till we meet again, in my heart is where I hold you, body, oh boy.
Some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, some make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, but nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. We're just trying to live our lives.
Cause we stuck in this life with no retreat. There ain't no escape from my enemies when I pull my heat. Yeah, we doing this for little bones. May he rest in peace, getting no type of sleep. Cause you're always on my mind. Yeah, we miss you, audio boy, and your name stay strong. Just like these memories. Always riding in the streets, smoking blunts and swinging 40s. Just to ease these thoughts up in my mind. Audio gang when I ride, keep my beat up in the sky. Just like little bones, beats up my boy. Wish you could come back home and kick it just like we used to do way back in the day. Mobbing down the block, keeping it G. And if a motherfucker ran up, he faced defeat. My nigga D-Dub, yeah, we miss you, bro. And so does all these hoes. But enough for that. It's time to write up on these scraps and show them how we feeling. Creeping with the hood still. And believe, motherfucker, we playing for keeps. Rest in peace, little bones, and they will never go in faint. Cause me and my nigga Villain go in the same visa. My boy must love. You know we gonna dump up on these punks. Yeah, best to believe, you know they fucking gonna run. Rest in peace, my boy, Audio gang. You always kept the flame, my nigga, yeah. Your name will never go in vain. Never go in vain. Yeah.
Some niggas go to college. Some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it in